In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft To Do. We're focusing on Windows, and the goal is simple. Keep your hands on the keyboard so you can add, find, and finish tasks faster without reaching for the mouse. Make sure the Microsoft To Do window is active before you start. If a shortcut doesn't respond, click anywhere inside the app to refocus it, then try again. To add a new task instantly, press Ctrl+N. Your cursor jumps into the task field so you can type the title right away. When you're done naming it, press Enter to confirm. If you're organizing at a higher level, press Ctrl+L to create a new list. Give the list a clear name so it's easy to spot later, especially if you juggle work, personal, and planning categories. When you want to highlight a task for the day, first select it in your list, then press Ctrl+T to add it to My Day. This is perfect for keeping today's priorities front and center without moving the task out of its original list. As you make progress, mark tasks complete with Ctrl+D. Again, make sure the task is selected first. It's a quick way to keep things tidy and stay motivated as you see completed items clear out. If you need to locate something specific, press Ctrl+F to search tasks. Type a keyword, like part of a task name, and use Enter to confirm your search. This is especially helpful when your lists get long and you don't want to scroll. When you've copied text from somewhere else, use Ctrl+V to paste it right into a task's title or details. It's a smooth way to bring in notes or action items you've captured in other apps. Working across devices or collaborating? Press Ctrl+R to sync now. This refreshes your tasks so you see the latest updates without waiting for automatic sync. To manage your workspace, press Ctrl+ the number 1 key to open or hide the sidebar in a minified view. This is handy if you want more space to focus on the task list itself. 2 keys make navigation even smoother. Press Space to expand the selected task and view its details, like notes or reminders, right in the list. And use Enter to open or confirm actions such as editing a task name or accepting a change. Practice these shortcuts a few times and they'll quickly become second nature. With just a handful of keys, you'll add, organize, complete, and find tasks far more efficiently in Microsoft To Do.